Right, so how do we trade gold? And right now it's 4,068, and it's actually came from 3960 yesterday, having this kind of bullish engulfing candle, no? So the bullish engulfing, napakalaking move from gold, going all the way up to 4,114. So parang 130 dollars in just 4-hour time frame. Okay, want to go back down at 4,023 and now rebounding at 4,066. So what made gold move like that? Okay, so meron tayo ditong uh, news, no? Okay, actually gold is at um, sell or bearish trend pa rin, no? Okay, so gold could reach 5,000 an ounce in early 2027 outlook, no? But here comes the catalyst, no? Gold rises on soft jobs data and weaker oil as focus shifts to US payroll. So this is what I'm expecting, and what I mentioned before or last week, na it's starting to form a bullish divergence. And also with US and Iran, or Strait of Hormuz na ma-manage na, no, na organize na kahit papaano, and oil is going down, everything, inflation might go down drastically. So possible na bumaba na rin yung inflation, and of course rate cut. Okay, so it will result to rate cut. So US private payrolls lower than expected in June. Fed Chair Kevin Warsh vows to stick to 2% inflation target, and also US non-farm payrolls data. Ito yung mga reason, no? So Kevin Warsh nagsalita, and it mentioned na inflation is getting weaker na, no? So kumbaga parang bumababa na yung inflation kasi nararamdaman na yung pagbaba ng oil prices. So this is mainly the reason why we can expect a rate cut, and market will move based on expectations, and it's always forward looking. Okay, so yun yung pina-price in the market. It's already pricing in what could possibly happen in the future. Okay, so how do we trade this? Okay, so we are at a 4-hour time frame, basically with a triple bottom formation. Actually last week we mentioned that it's already with a cup and handle formation, only to go back down and form this new consolidation, no? So what we want to see is that a convincing breakout from 4116. Okay, this is a major resistance na dyan talaga, no? It's a former support. It's like this, former support na na-break pababa, and many times it's getting bumped. Okay, so we want to see yan, we want to see a convincing breakout from gold here sa level na to, and we want to have a buy stop level, a buy stop order there. Okay, but once we have that kind of breakout, we want to limit our expectations. Okay, not yet that we can buy yung tulad ng ginagawa natin last year, no? Buy lang talaga tayo, and we are just waiting for dips to go by. But right now we are much cautious because there's still a mixed sentiment. Okay, we want to target the upper resistance level here, which is 4250. Okay, so coming from 4116, we can target 4250, and that's a really big move already. Okay, and while we are at 4065, we can actually trade on range here. Okay, so current range is at 4023. We can buy on that support and targeting 4070 level. Okay, so right now, as long as this support line holds, we can buy on support, or we can actually use a moving average there. Okay, and that's it for our gold outlook. Thank you so much for watching, and again, I want to invite you sa ating Telegram community. Nandyan lang yung link niyan sa bio natin. There we provide trade ideas, trade signals, actual numbers no na we provide for you to take sa trades inyo manually, and we also have copy trading recommendations there as well. Thank you so much. Have a great day.